Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with Easy Money app. You can sign up with your Gmail account, and once you sign up you will be moved into the app. Here you can see, do you want easy money? You can just start, find and install the app, open the app for 30 seconds, save the several days and receive your reward, invite friends, and you can accept this term for just give them permissions to access your location and information from your phone. And let's get started with the home section. You can enter my promo code here, and once you're done or enter the promo code you get some bonus. And let's get started with the app. So it takes few seconds to load the offers. As you can see here, there are different types of offers like follow our page, but there are no points for that. Click here to upgrade geolocation for receiving tasks. So here you can see I have tapped on geolocation so that I am receiving this task. Here you can see there are 1.11p and different offers. And let's start with the partners. Task for fiber. So here these are the offer walls where you can install more apps from this section, but they load for a longer time. And as you can see here, there are more tasks coming up. As you refresh, the task will be coming more. And here a video from Ad Colony, so let's click OK. So just check randomly, because sometimes the offers or videos might load or may not load. So here we got one ad. So we have watched one ad. Like this you can watch more ads. Let's get to the different, which is add Google accounts and earn. So here it comes to the like task. Here to start earning, add your social networks. So presently only VK is available. Facebook and YouTube is coming soon. And here are the contests where you can win the prizes. First place 50% prize fund, second 25, third 15, fourth 7, fifth 3. So like this you can just use this to, you need to spend a key to participate. So here you can also check the previous results or game results. And here are the quiz rules. And let's get back to the app with home section and Wheel of Fortune. So jackpot 19p. You have to make your first payout in the payout menu item to make a bet. So this is going to be, and here it's showing currently 37 tasks and the active and then done. Here the history, we got 0.01 p from mob ad. And then here comes the chats. You can also check the chats. Next the payout. Here there are many countries available, like all countries. You can check all the payments available here. And next is the Russian, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, Belarus, Brazil, USA. Surprise thing is that USA doesn't have the PayPal, whereas Brazil has the PayPal, which is quite different. And here you can see the PayPal minimum amount is 10p to convert into dollars. And for Amazon is also not present for US. Let's check Germany. Amazon is present. and for India Amazon is there. Here you can see here like 100 rupees cost 90 payout, but the balance is 0.01, and here it says 89.99 to pay out. So let's get back, and here's the more section like your profile, brain battle, wheel of fortune, chest of fortune, top charts like who are watching or winning the points, and next is the friends, and here comes the gifts. You can also gift in the, and here invite friends to earn 10% of their income. They immediately receive 2 points, like whenever you use my code you get 2 points. And I'm sharing this code in the below description, also you can just copy and paste it just by seeing it. And here comes the news, like different updates. They update you regularly, and if you want any support you can check all this. And that's it guys, thanks for watching my video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon. Bye bye.